Hello everybody, it's Peter the Rock. I'm still on Moorhall Road, south of Harefield. I shall turn around, and I'm filming this because I'm very near the HS2 viaduct, which looks complete. There is a sign here indicating where various gates are. I shouldn't think that's being used for quite a long time, but in the future, folks, or it might be your present or past by the time you see this, who knows? I just don't know. But there'll be trains thundering past here with passengers frantically scrabbling to get their bread rolls out to feed the ducks as they go over the various lakes and ponds that this viaduct crosses over. So, there's a wonderfully mysterious gate here, but of course it's sealed, so they don't want people to go down there, and I'd rather not do that. But this interesting viaduct all the way across the valley, it's about 100 pillars, I think, and they're all beautifully moulded in a kind of a nicely curvaceous way, a way of that is aesthetically pleasing. There's a program on the telly. There are lots of programs on the telly. There's one called Homes Under the Hammer, and I don't know if you've seen it, but simply put, the idea is that the people go into a place that's fallen into disrepair. Somebody buys it, and they do it up, and they sell it on and make a profit, and that is sort of interesting. And everybody says, oh, how wonderful it is, but I don't like the modernisation of these places because it's all too rectangular, all too many right angles for my taste. But that seems to be what the trend and the fashion is. Here we are in 2025, the 21st century. Maybe in 10 years' time there'll be a fashion to knock out all these rectangular kitchens and stick in some curvilinear ones. This viaduct is ahead of the game because it's curvilinear already, and rather nice and aesthetically pleasing it is. Now the workers' huts have all gone, and in fact even the security has gone. There's some solar panels over there. There used to be a secret passage into a secret car park, and I think it might still be there, so I'm going to attempt to find it. It's a little bit off the beaten track, a little bit unexpected, because normally there's a security guard at this gate, or there used to be, and he would say something like, oh, there's some orange suited people. He would say something like, oh, you can't go there, son, or something. But there we are, and this is where the hut used to be. It's gone now, but the secret entrance is still here. Don't quite know what the people are doing. Orange suited people always inspire me because of course I worked on a building site, as you know, and I'm not going to repeat it. There are no cars in this car park. This is fishermen's car park. I don't know why. It's supposed to be for fishermen, so I'm not a fisherman, but anyway, it's a kind of a secret car park, and I've been here before, and my friend Steve, hello Steve, told me all about it a few weeks or months ago. So the viaduct is pretty samey all the way along, which is rather nice, because the train's hurtling along at 200 miles an hour. You wouldn't have much time on the train to pick out individual details. If you want to do that, you should wander around a museum or a church or something like that. Certainly not go on a train to Birmingham, in my opinion. So there we are. This is the state of things as they are now. Thanks a lot for watching. It's Peter the Rock. Sunday the 7th of September. Cheers.